Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, there are more killing fields in Cambodia than Phnom Penh's infamous Chon Ek. According to the Document Centre of Cambodia, there are 19,733 mass graves spread throughout the country at 388 locations. Today we will be looking at two of these killing fields in the north of the country. This is Wat Phra Mai in Siem Reap. I was unable to find official data referring to how many people were actually processed here, but the number is in the thousands. This well was used by villagers for their daily water use, but during the Khmer Rouge regime, the killers executed victims and dropped them down the pit. In 1989, the Siem Reap 100 Rescue Children Team orphanage organisation exhumed 60 bodies from the well.
One of the water well here, so they used to drop a lot of dead body inside, so that crazy. So when they kill people, so mostly if we just don't know the place, so we use water sometimes, yeah. All the bones and everything.
It's all covered.
You can't see, right? I almost can't catch what you mean. You say uncle.
Uncle.
Yeah,
This was not only a place of execution, but also a prison, where prisoners were kept awaiting death or were taken to a place of interrogation.
This is like locking room. So because of those people back in time, so they got arrested and the rest, those people dying because of starving, so still, whatever, will be able.
This is known as the Killing Cave near Battambang in northwest Cambodia. Prisoners were boiled here and thrown down the shaft, their bodies crushed against the blocks below. I've heard that some victims took up to 12 hours to die. The Cambodian genocide was not only a crime against humanity, but a crime against the Cambodian people, committed by Cambodians. These murders were allowed to be committed by the West because they considered the alternative to be worse.